Okay, here we are at the Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. We're in the domestic terminal, A terminal, and here we see an interesting vending machine, Farmer's Fridge. Yes, there we go. This is the alternative to the other vending machines. Here we see all types of vegetables, salads and jars, and there we see different wraps, boiled eggs, all different types of healthy meals in a glass jar. Now when you buy these, they want you to open the jar and put it in a container. And there we see your utensils. And there, after you've used the jar, they want you to recycle the jar. Put it right here. So this is the first machine of this type that I've seen, but certainly an interesting alternative to the other vending machines here in this part of the airport.